Wow, what a project. Can't take any credit for this. This came to me from Mark. He's arranged everything, the materials. Just have to get a few more volunteers together. Wow, look at that. Almost 100 years old. Working men's club. They do christenings, weddings, birthdays. Look, the community. Social enterprise. Struggling to get money. Cost of living. Cost of fuel. Had no heating since before Christmas. So let's change that. Let's spread some community spirit. The boiler, Mark's got. There they are now, look. So on this project, I'm hoping to get 20 volunteers. Last time, 65 turned up. So in this project, I'm hoping to push the boat. We want someone to help out with a bit of painting, a bit of gardening, a bit of rendering. Yeah, it needs replenishing. The spirit needs uplifting here. Just look how beautiful it is inside. Let's go have a look. Almost 100 years old, working men's club. It used to have a reading room. Got a nice little dance hall, nice little stage inside. Look at that, Carlton Village Hall. Let's go for a walk around. So that's the current heating system. Goes along behind all the seating. Look at the radiators there, pinhole look. Think of the cost of heating this up. It's going TRVs, radiators, background heating. So there's a huge 2.5-inch pipe going along there. Imagine the memories, imagine the generations. Imagine if this doesn't survive, people say, oh, we went there with the great granddad, your auntie. Look at that look, eh? So a bit of painting I want to do, bit of skirting. On the day, we're going to be putting insulation in the roof space. I volunteered to do that. Look at that, look. Imagine the memories from that. Imagine people coming down, well, came down here with your granddad, your grandma, summer holidays, playing football. So, big call out to social media now. Send us DM. You can send it to the platform, the Wise platform, Lee Brown, Andy Cam, MB Plumbing, Whitney Gas, Alan Hart, Damon Blakemore, Alan Page, John Powney. You're all in the area. If you know those guys, drop them a DM. The dates will be released shortly. Look at this, look. They're struggling. All we've got to do is provide the labour. The manufacturers have provided the materials. We've got to provide the labour. I mean, look. Come on, we can do this. Big call out. Come on, lads, let's do this. Food will be provided. So here we are. This is the boiler room. So we've got a combi there. That's running the actual caretaker's house. That's in quite good condition. The flues aren't to standard. And we've got 2 system boilers here. One's burst a leak. So the heating system here is pretty phenomenal. It's background heating, these huge pipes going underneath the seating area and the dance hall and the stage. The rest is radiators being changed. So really, this is where we need the volunteers. We've got Damon Blakeford that's came forward, cracking guy. We're hoping to replace it with 1 boiler, 2 zones to make it more efficient. Just had a new pump fitted. So yeah, this is the next project in Barnsley. Mark has sourced the materials, this is his project, but it'd be good if we got some good experienced engineers so we could just leave them to it and say, here's a boiler, here's the materials, please overhaul this problem. We've got to get the system more efficient. It's a 100-year-old dwelling, serves the community, he's struggling. Let's fix it for him. Hi guys, so here we are. This is the next project. This is Mark, he's arranged everything. I can't take any credit for this. Mark, tell us a bit about the project here, what it means to the community.
Yeah, so I moved here about 8 years ago. I'm from down south, as you can tell, but this place is a real community hub. Everyone gets involved. It's 100 years old in 3 years' time. They do birthdays, funerals, football presentations. The old boys come in and just read their papers, Sunday dinners. It's the community hub. It's a fantastic place, and for someone like me moving up north, not knowing anyone, this place welcomed me, and it's brilliant. But they're on their asses with sorry my language, but they're on their backsides with their finances and with the fuel price increases and the boilers and whatnot. When you see them, they're shocking. So we need to help get them prepared for this winter.
Okay. So Mark's been brilliant. He's arranged the radiators, the boiler, the valves, the programmers. So really, it's Warriors. It's the volunteers we need now, isn't it?
We need guys to come and help. There's a lot of insulation that we need to put in the voids. We need anyone just to come and help on a day to try and blitz it, get it done. Liquor paint here, just basically help out. If you're a young apprentice, come along. You're going to have hopefully some amazing people that you can learn off. And it's not a massive project. It's not, there's not tons and tons of work, but it'll be a good day just to come and experience, get involved, and just meet some guys that you can learn off.
There'll be food on the day.
And beer.
Yeah. There'll be beer. There's radiators that need changing. There'll be a bit of painting, insulation. I'll be here offering some training. Some of the celebrity plumbers will be here. Lee Brown, John Pound, hopefully, Damon Blakemore, Andy Cam, Marcus Bull, Whitney Gas. They'll all be here. This is a commercial project. It's a bit of a strange boiler room. We'll show you it now, but we really need some positive. We need people like Damon and Lee Brown here, don't we?
We do. We need people that can look at the mess and make it pretty and nice and welcoming.
100 years. We've got to keep this going for 100 years.
Please help.